What's happening, Sneakerheads? In this video, we're going to have my top 8 picks of 2024. Keep in mind, this is my list, so let me know your list. I chose 8 because I wanted this video to be a little bit shorter than the last video. I appreciate y'all for looking at that last video. If you haven't done already, go ahead and check out that Jordan 4 top 10 picks of 24 right there. But without further ado, moving on to that first shoe. We do have the Jordan Spizik in that UNC colorway. I just picked these up recently from StockX. I want a bid. I got these for under retail. This is a very clean shoe in my opinion in that UNC colorway, the Jordan 4 Spiziks. Moving on to number 7, we do have the Jordan 11 Low Space Jams. These did release in the summertime. I do like to rock 11 lows, so I do not have any Space Jams in my collection, so therefore I scooped these up. But let me know what you think about these, Sneakerheads. These did release on May 18th for a retail price of $190. Let me know if you grabbed your pair of these, Sneakerheads. So moving on to my number 6, we do have the Jordan 9 Powder Blue. This did come with some controversy because, as you know, this has been re-retroed before, and this year they didn't put that 23 on the back, and some people didn't like that, so these were an easy cop for me. But these Jordan 9 Powder Blues did come out on March 23rd, 24. Retail price of $200. Let me know if you grab your pair of these. So moving on to my number 5 pick, we do have another blue-gray. This is Jordan 13. Does kind of look like that Denver Nuggets colorway back in the day when Carmelo Anthony used to play, because it does have that yellow on the toe box. These did come out back in February 10th. Retail price of $200. Let me know if you grab you a pair of these. Moving on to the next shoe. Our 4th shoe, Jordan 11 Columbia Blue, aka UNC's. They just came out for Christmas, and these were sitting. Some places did have a restock. This did come at a high price point of $230. I did hit my pair from Sneakers app. Let me know if you grab you a pair of these. These came out on December 14th, 24. Moving on to my top 3 shoes now. And this one's going to be surprising to many, but it's going to be the Jordan 1 Low Howard. This is considered a special edition PE because this is the first time that Jordan brand linked up with the HBCU. So these Jordan 1 Howard did come out at a price of $140 because it does have that OG branding. And these were sitting everywhere. And this is actually the only shoe that I did get 2 pairs of. One initially from Sneakers app, and then the second pair I did get from StockX. These did come out on October 12th. Let me know if you cop you a pair of these. But if you don't know, my team is the Houston Texans, and they do wear that red, white, and blue colorway. And so anytime I see a red, white, and blue shoe, I do try to scoop these up. We know that red, white, and blue doesn't come often in the Jordan 1s or Jordan in any Jordan models, period, but I'm glad to pick these up. Let me know if you scooped you a pair of these, and these are beautiful leather. This shoe was done right. Everything about this shoe is beautiful. Tumble leather, extra set of laces. I mean, to me, it's worth $140, but if you can get these on sale like they are right now, I recommend you scoop you a pair. So coming on to my top 2. Now these could have been flip-flop, so if you have these different on your list, let me know. But my number 2 is the Jordan 4 Bread Reimage. Again, some people didn't like these because they did feature that upper leather compared to that nubuck. So the Bread 4 Reimagines did come out earlier this year on February 17th, and these did come at that elevated price point. So let me know if you grabbed you a pair of these. But I know these I can't say these were a fairly easy cop because I didn't win. I actually ended up buying these for resale at a local sneaker event. Charged me $300. I'm not sure what the price point was going for that right at the beginning. I know that resale market has tanked on these, but I do believe these will go back up. I think at the time, because they had just released, these were going for all around $300 at the time. So I did want these in my collection, so I had to go ahead and bite the bullet and pay that high resale price of $300. And let me know if you grab your pair of these. Moving on to my number 1 pick, and bam, we got the Jordan 3 8 I'm a Meniere's. I picked this for a lot of reasons. Number 1, the Jordan 3 is my favorite silhouette. I know that these did come at a higher price point of $230. I did hit my pair directly from I'm a Manier website, which had a high retail price and shipping of $15. Did cost me $247 here in North Carolina. So these Jordan released on August 20th, 24. Let me know if you scoop these up. Number one, they are going on the retail right now, and I do really recommend you pick these up because you're not going to find a better quality Jordan being made out there. I'm a Manier uses the best premium leather. I mean, look at this tumble leather. Just, you can see it right down the camera, and I don't even have a good camera. So this is coming to you with the best quality materials. I mean, look at that rugged suede right there. You see it. I mean, it's just beautifully done. Look at that quilted sock liner. I mean, nowhere you're going to get the quality that was done on this shoe. And if you can get these on the retail, it's even better. I recommend scoop these up. Does come with extra laces. I mean, what more can I say? You can't beat this shoe. So let me know your top pickups of 24 down in the comments, sneakerheads. We appreciate y'all. And make sure y'all stay tuned. This is the new year, 25, so we expect to be hot and heavy this year. As you know, Jordan Brand is trying to shake up the sneaker market, dropping all these grails, so stay tuned. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications, sneakerheads. Till next time, we'll see ya.
Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we said, for sure, when you're blessed.
Hey, bless others. Peace.